Hello everyone and welcome to Fresh Finds. We're here to help you find products that are perfect for your brand. I'm Jason.
And I'm Mariah, and as you can see, we are coming to you from our very own homes right now with everything going on. Obviously, a lot of us are working from home, so we wanted to give you a special peek behind the scenes at some of the fresh finds that we use in our real lives. So what do you have, Jason?
Yeah, the first thing I have here is the Crossland Vacuum Camp Mug. This is a great mug. I literally use this every day at work. I actually brought it with because I couldn't be without it. So I can continue. When they said we were going to be working from home, I'm like, got to bring this with because this is like my daily use thing. It's great. It's not huge. It's 15 ounces, so it's the perfect size for your coffee every day. One of the nice things on top here, you got a nice color matching, aesthetically pleasing thumb slide on here. We've done a similar product like this with Crossland because Crossland's our exclusive brand. The cool thing with this as well, you can get your imprint on the front and the back. We have our hashtag #IHeartForImprint. That's kind of like an internal thing we do. It's a great way for building the community at work.
I know when you're at home, kind of one of the stabilizing features of the day is like, okay, what do I do first? Get the coffee. I'm done with this task. Now what do? I can't go chat around with my neighbors, so better go get some more coffee. It just is a nice way to break up the day when you're at home.
Exactly, and it works great for keeping it nice and hot too, like longer than like your typical ceramic mug, so like it's good for hours.
Oh yeah,
so.
For sure. That one's a dual wall stainless vacuum insulated too, right?
It is. It's a great mug. What do you have?
I'm obsessed with these. I have them in my car, I have them in my bags, multiple bags, and I have two to show off. Ta-da! Lens cloth 1, lens cloth 2, whoop, here we go. So these are lens cloths or, just generic cleaning cloths, and I love these. I'm a glasses wearer, obviously, so, smudges and, just crud that gets on your either glasses or screens. As a promotional product, these are great. I've received these from ordering glasses from internet retailers or internet glasses providers, and they've sent lens cloths along with really cool imprints on them, and you get all this area, full color. We have full color ones like this where it's just like, wow, you can do a lot with the imprint on that. So I'm still using these like crazy at home.
Yeah, definitely. I have one at my desk at 4imprint with our 4imprint logo on it, which is a full color, like you said. Use that thing every day. But it doesn't even have to be a glasses company. A lot of people wear glasses, so the fact that you have that is it's great to just have in your pocket, have in your backpack. It's a great everyday carry, I guess you could say.
And also screens, tablets, phones. Don't want to leave those out because they get smudgy just as much as your glasses do, maybe even more because of all the use.
Exactly.
So that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining us. We wish you well at your homes. Our hearts go out to everybody enduring this crazy time, and we'll be here. We are here for you if you need any promotional products in the meantime.
Yeah, we hope everybody stays safe and healthy out there, and don't forget to tune in next time for more Fresh Finds. Oh, I guess we'll stop recording, Mariah. I had 7 minutes.
Okay.